Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Bosco and this is going to be a simple tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can register your wallet for the voting on Cardano governance. So I'm going to show you guys, this is very simple, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can register for the voting on Cardano. If you haven't delegated your ADAs, please, you are more than welcome to delegate with yours Cardanistas stake pool and support our job. So for this tutorial, you're gonna have to use a wallet. For demonstration, I'm gonna use Eternl, and I recommend you if you can use Eternl. If you're using Yoroi, Daedalus, they have a different timing stamp for the registration. What we're gonna do, we're gonna do the registration. We do the registration first, and then later on, we're gonna vote for the projects, for the proposals. So first we need to register our wallet, and we only register once. You only have gonna register once. If you haven't registered your wallet before, you don't need to register again. And also the registration is gonna be open until 4th of July. So don't wait for 4th of July, do that as soon as you can. As soon as you see this video, you can do your registration. All the link I'm going to show you on this video is going to be on the description. So after you're done watching this video, go check the description. So as you can see here, this is my wallet. You need a minimum of 500 ADA. If you don't have a 500 ADA on your wallet, you're not going to be able to register. And you need 500 ADA, and you need to keep this minimum of ADAs on your wallet up to 4th of July, where the snapshot is gonna happen. So keep 500 ADA on your wallet, and using Eternl as demonstration. You gonna have to click, once you log in on your wallet, you're gonna click on here. Right here where you see voting, you're gonna click, and then you're gonna see here some schedule, but don't pay attention, this is schedule, you're gonna have to update this, the dates are the real dates. So once you get to this page, you click on here next. Once you click on here next, they are gonna ask you to download the Catalyst app. So if you have Android, you can use this QR code. If you have iPhone, you can use this QR code. You're gonna have to download the Catalyst app, but we're not gonna need the app today. The app we're gonna use for the voting. Once the voting is open, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can vote. We have done videos before about that, but we're going to make new videos again. So that's when we need the Catalyst app, but you can download that now. So you just download here, and then you click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to ask you to register like 4 PIN numbers. 4 numbers you need to register, and you need to memorize, because if you lose this PIN number, you're not going to be able to vote. So make sure you write that down. The 4 numbers you're going to register as the PIN number. So I'm going to put 1111 as demonstration, and then they ask me to put that again. So I'm just going to repeat that. You see the green sign here, and you just click on next. You're gonna confirm. So once you confirm here, this is gonna like the voting registration transaction. So you're gonna have to make a transaction, and you're gonna pay like just the network fee. It's 0.17 ADA. So this is the network fee you're gonna pay for the transaction. Here you can read some more information. And he also says that for you to keep at least 500 ADA on your wallet. That's your voting power. So I'm just gonna put my password here, and I'm gonna click on sign. So let me put my password. And then the transaction is being submitted. So now we on this page, pay very attention, a lot of attention this moment right here. So you can see here we are on the settings page, but don't leave this page. You can scroll this down, and then you're gonna see the QR code, and you're gonna see the hash, the Catalyst hash here. So this QR code reflects to the hash. So if you have the hash, you don't really need the QR code. You need to keep one of those. you can just download the QR code, you can copy the hash here, and you need to combine this with your 4 PIN numbers that you just registered a few minutes ago. So when the voting is open, we're gonna have to use the PIN number and this hash or this QR code to log in into the Catalyst app, and that's how we're gonna be able to vote. So once you save this and you leave this page, you're not gonna be able to come back here and get those information again. So make sure you download this, you save this, very safe. And once you leave, and if you come back, it's not here anymore. So you're gonna have, if you lose that, you're gonna have to do the whole thing again. So this is how you register. So once you register, you're all set. And I'm just gonna show you the Catalyst website, the ideal scale. So this is the Catalyst website. And you can see here, if you click on here, you're gonna go to the main page, which is this one. And you see here all the active campaigns here. Like we are on the Fund 9, so you can see by campaign, and this is the amount of proposal on each campaign. And Maria has also a proposal, and it's on this campaign, Fund 9, Fund 10 Challenge Series. So we have here 80 proposal, and this is the Maria proposal. Cardano support for Latin America. And once you get to this page, you're gonna see on the right top of my camera right here, you're gonna see the button so you can log in and you can create your account. So go create your account, log in, and then you can interact with those proposals. You can give her kudos. It's kind of like a like. When you like a proposal, so this proposal get more visibility when it has more kudos, so you can give more kudos. You can read the whole proposal. Maria is opening up a proposal, a challenge for Latin America. So people in the next fund, if this proposal get approved, people on the next fund are gonna be able to make a proposal only for Latin America, like only for things happening in Latin America. So you can read the whole information here about the proposal. You can give comments, you can write down comments, you can interact with those proposals. And here you can also browser navigate between campaigns. You see here Fund 9, and then you see here all the campaigns, and the Maria is on this one right here. So this is how you guys can register for the Catalyst voting. Make sure you have your wallet registered and ready to participate.